Thursday, December 8th, 2016. Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So it's around just before 1 p.m. London time or 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The ECB announced about 10 minutes ago that it will start tapering its QE from April 2017, from next year. Right now it's doing 80 billion euros a month, and it's going to taper to 60,000 from April onwards. That's what they've said. The market was, actually there's talk about taper, but only about two analysts on the street were expecting an announcement today, according to Bloomberg. And I read here from a story in Bloomberg, and I quote, "There really is a disconnect between pricing and what economists expect," said Jordan Rochester, a foreign exchange strategist at Nomura Holdings PLC in London. He says, "All but one or two on the street are calling for a taper. Still, the euro price action going into this meeting and the consensus of economists simply does not agree. We expect once this event is out of the way, the dollar will continue to outperform and the euro will approach 105 yet again." So I was watching the market just before the announcement. The euro was trading at 107.95, and it actually spiked up to 108.75, and now it's turned around. It's at near the lows at 107.67. The low earlier today was 107.48. So a strange market reaction there by the euro. I would have said it should be fairly positive for the euro going forward. The fact that they're talking about tapering, even though, to be honest, these central bankers, ECB or Fed or Bank of England, they're still hugely accommodative. This might sound hawkish, but it's all relative. In a perfect world, there wouldn't be central banks. We wouldn't need these central banks, but that's the world we live in. In a perfect world, there would be a free market in money. The market would decide what kind of money it would want to use. The market participants, borrowers and lenders would decide what interest rates would be set. But right now we don't have that. So in terms of the precious metals, gold was trading fairly strongly prior to that decision at 1178, but it's dropped back. It's now 1173.20. Kind of neutral, I would have said, compared to where we've been the last few days and last few weeks. So far, the low in London is in gold has been 1171.59, and the high is 1179. So yeah, that's gold. Silver traded up to 1723, the high today so far. Right now it's down about 5 cents at 1706. So kind of disappointing reaction there. You would have thought that stronger euro, a weaker dollar would help precious metals, but now the euro's turned around and is actually making making new lows as I speak here, 15 minutes after the ECB announcement. We don't forget, in half an hour's time, we have the press conference where Mario Draghi, the president of the ECB, will be speaking. So that will be interesting to listen to as well. What else have we got? The Dow is unchanged, 19,534. S&P is down about 2 points, 22.38. The pound is 126.60, up almost 1/3%. And as I speak here now, euro 107.45, right on the lows of the day. Quite a, I guess it's kind of buy the rumor, sell the fact kind of a reaction. I guess the key levels here are going to be 105 on the downside in the euro and 110 on the upside, but that's more medium to longer term. European stock markets, DAX is up 100 points at 11,082. The FTSE's doing well, up 26 at 69.20. yeah, and that's it for now. Let's have a look at Bitcoin as well. Let's not forget the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin doing quite well. We're around 770 right now. So continuing to trade higher here towards that 780 level. Yeah, 770.50 on CoinDesk. So that's it. ECB decision. Slight surprise, not huge surprise. So they're going to start tapering from April next year. From 80 billion, they're doing now monthly down to 60 billion. So they're just going to be printing a little less money. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it far and wide, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If you'd like to donate, there's some links below in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.